Please welcome His Royal Highness, the Prince of Wales.
Good evening. We at the Earthshot Prize are all so grateful for the welcome we've received this evening here in Boston over the last few days. When I founded this prize in 2020, it was with the ambition to harness the same spirit of ingenuity that inspired President John F. Kennedy to challenge the American people to put a person on the moon within a decade. So it has been an honor to share the stories of our Earthshot winners and finalists from the heart of his hometown. I believe that the Earthshot solutions you've seen this evening prove we can overcome our planet's greatest challenges. And by supporting and scaling them, we can change our future. Alongside tonight's winners and finalists, and those to be discovered over the years to come, it's my hope the Earthshot legacy will continue to grow, helping our communities and our planet to thrive. And in the same way, the space effort 6 decades ago created jobs, boosted economies, and provided hope, so too can the solutions born of tonight's Earthshot Prize winners. The decisions we make now will affect generations to come, which is why we must choose the path of hope, optimism, and urgency to repair our planet. Thank you.